Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So the sister of the trending Saint John Clough lady has finally decided to speak out on the situation that's currently trending, and according to her, her sister is not the person that we all saw on that trending video. You guys, she says that that is so unlike her sister, and they suspect that she might have been under the influence of something. You guys, the sister went on to reveal that um her sister is reportedly married, and we should stop sharing the video because it will jeopardize her marriage. You guys, she also revealed that her sister is in hospital as we speak, you guys, as a result of what she was allegedly and reportedly under. So Tato Matlaba, who is the sister, said, "Good afternoon, South Africa. The girl you see on this trending video is my big sister, and I would like to apologize on her behalf. She's not someone who goes around doing such things in public. She was under the influence of something. As we speak, she's at the hospital fighting for her life because this video really affected her self-esteem badly. I don't think she'll ever heal from this. Can you please stop circulating the video and making fun of it, because my sister is a married woman and y'all are putting her marriage in jeopardy," she said. You guys, now people across social media were saying, why is this lady the only one who's getting a lot of slack and backlash for the video that she did, and while the guy and the video is receiving, praises? It is as if like this lady did what she did alone and not this guy, because he is not getting like social media backlash. People are more interested in the lady other than the guy. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. And of course, subscribe, share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. And of course, please, can you stop circulating the content, you guys? I will definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.